Now 10:04 a.m. on August 26th. We're going to call to order this regular session of the Wood County Commissioners Court. It is our normal procedure to start each session with a word of prayer, and I believe Commissioner Gaskell has agreed to that as well.
Let's pray. Lord, thank you for this day. Thank you for Jesus who died on the cross, Lord. Thank you for all the many blessings you've given us here in Wood County. Go with us through this meeting. Help us to make the right decisions for Wood County. In Jesus' name, amen.
Amen. Thank you, Commissioner. Item number 1 on our agenda is public comments. Is there anyone in the audience today who has an issue they wish to present to the court that is pertinent to the court? Seeing no one come forward, we'll move on to item number 2, which is consider approval of personnel actions. Today I find none in my packet, so we will move on to number 3. Consider approval of payroll. We have payroll dated today in the total amount of $308,437.04. I would entertain a motion. I have a motion by Commissioner Gaskell, second by Commissioner Pace, that we approve today's payroll. All those in favor? Aye. Aye. Motion does pass. Item number 4 is consider approval of line item transfers and budget amendments. I as well do not find any in today's packet, so we'll move to item number 5. Consider approval of claims. We have health and dental insurance claims today, dated today in the total amount of $94,781.82. Accounts payable claims in the total amount of $251,877.05, and direct claims paid in the total amount of $92,490.21, and voided checks in the total amount of $4,615. I would entertain a motion.
So moved. Second.
I have a motion by Commissioner Page, second by Commissioner Commissioner Holland, that we approve today's claims. All those in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Motion does pass. Item number 6 is a public hearing for the revision of lots 101 and 102, Part 1, Section 4 of Holly Lake Ranch subdivision, and then take any necessary action. It is now 10:07, and we are going to open up the public hearing for this revision consideration, and I believe, you have that? Commissioner Acker.
This revision to lots 101, 102, Part 1, Section 4, Holly Lake, owned by Mr. and Ms. Jenkins, and they're here with us today. They're asking that the lots be combined into one single lot. And they have submitted their new plats and their tax receipts, and all that stuff is okay.
And do you wish to put that in the form of a motion?
I move that we accept the revision.
Commissioners, do you have any questions for Mr. Acker or for the...
Really got to go out of public hearing.
I'm asking if you have any questions before I ask for the motion to get it on record.
Okay.
I'm asking for any questions subsequent to knowing that's going to be the motion. That not being the case, it is now 10:08, and we're going to end this public hearing for the revisions of lots 101 and 102, Part 1, Section 4 of Holly Lake Ranch, and take the necessary action. We have a motion before us. Do I have a second?
Second.
I've got a motion by Commissioner Acker, second by Commissioner Holland, that we approve the revision of lots 101 and 102, Part 1, Section 4 of Holly Lake Ranch, and sign off on that approval. All those in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Motion does pass. Item number 7, consider approval of memorandum of understanding between Texas A&M AgriLife Extension Service and Wood County pertaining to information technology services. You all have a copy of that memorandum of understanding. If there are no questions about that, I would entertain a motion.
Motion we approve. Second.
A motion by Commissioner Holland, second by Commissioner Gaskell, that we approve the memorandum of understanding between Texas A&M AgriLife Extension Service and the Wood County pertaining to IT services. All those in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Motion does pass. Item number 8 is consider acknowledgement of the order of assignment by the presiding judge to the 402nd District Court of Wood County. We do have that order from Mary Murphy, the presiding judge. suggesting Mr. Judge Paul Banner to sit in for the 402nd. If there are no questions about that, I would entertain a motion.
Move to approve.
Motion by Commissioner Gaskell, second by Commissioner Acker, that we approve. Actually, we acknowledge. Sorry, my miss asked. We actually are not approving, we're acknowledging the order of assignment by the presiding judge of the 402nd District Court of Wood County. All those in favor? Aye. Motion does pass. Item number 9, consider approval of the sheriff's and constable fees for fiscal year 2017. You find in your packet a request by our county clerk, who is responsible for this report, and the suggested changes for the upcoming year, all initialed and signed off by the court. If there are no questions, I would entertain a motion.
So moved.
A motion by Commissioner Acker, second by Commissioner Pace, that we approve the sheriff's and constable's fees for fiscal year 2017. Item number 10, consider approval of interlocal agreement for the sale of surplus equipment from Precinct 3 Road and Bridge to Upper Sabine Valley Solid Waste Management District. I believe this is yours, Mr. Pace.
Yes, we've had a backhoe over there for, since 1991, whenever the district became district. This is, I'll make a motion, since this is an intergovernmental transfer between two governmental entities, that we grant this, and the only thing we're gonna do for now is to put fuel in it, and they're gonna maintain all the maintenance on it.
All right.
I think all the other commissioners, all the other precincts basically done that long time ago.
So
This
he,
is showing a sales price of 100, is that correct? That's what it has in.
Okay.
We were asking about that earlier.
Sales price of,
Okay, for $100.
and that is in the form of a motion.
Second.
I have a motion by Commissioner Pace, second by Commissioner Acker, that we approve the interlocal agreement for the sale of surplus equipment from Precinct 3 Road and Bridge to Upper Sabine Valley Solid Waste Management District. All those in favor? Aye, motion passed. Item number 11 is consider approval of the award of joint purchasing agreement for the bulk fuel bid. We initially had previously for this agenda an awarding of the bids, since we have previously approved working with, I believe it's City of Tyler,
Well, City of Tyler and Smith County.
for joint purchasing consideration, and it's my understanding that that joint purchasing agreement is in the best interest of us to award this to rather than open the bids. Is that correct?
It's my understanding. This is just, I don't even know if we're approving a bid. We've already entered into an interlocal agreement to work with them, so this is their bid, and this is just, gives us options of this.
Well, I think the way this is worded, we're approving the award of the agreement to them in lieu of a bulk fuel bid.
At this moment, yes.
Okay. Do I have any questions by the commissioners? Anybody want to make a bid? I'm making a motion.
I'll make the motion.
Second it.
I have a motion by Commissioner Pace, second by Commissioner Holland, that we approve the award of joint purchasing agreement with the city and county of Tyler and Smith for the bulk fuel bid. All those in favor? Aye, motion does pass. Item number 12 is consider approval of Brinson Benefits recommendation of continuing with Health First TPA and changes in life amounts, dental, vision, and health insurance premiums to employee. You've all been provided a copy of the document that shows the recommendations from Brinson on all these issues, and it was, by my approval, allowed to be presented to the employees to avoid having multiple meetings with the employees. So it was included, and I believe you've all heard the presentation. All these things were included in that presentation. So if I have no questions, I would consider a motion.
Make a motion to approve.
Second.
I have a Motion by Commissioner Holland, second by Commissioner Gaskell, that we approve Renton Benefits recommendation of continuing with Health First TPA and the changes presented by them in basic life amounts, dental, vision, and health insurance premiums to be passed or to employees. All those in favor? Motion does pass. Seeing no other items on my agenda, I would entertain a motion to adjourn.
Motion to adjourn.
Have a motion by Commissioner Holland, second by Commissioner Acker, that we stand adjourned. All those in favor? Aye. Motion does pass. It is now 10:15, and we are adjourned.